Good morning, children. Are you ready for the adventure? Look, the horses. Shall we go to them? Quickly, before they leave. They are so beautiful. This is how you gently give them the apple. Don't be afraid, my friend. Wow, how clever! Yay, we did it! Are you ready for a little ride? Yes, Grandpa. You're so tall. This is fantastic. It feels like we're flying. Look, there's the duck pond. It's nice to cool off here. Thank you for taking us. Goodbye, horses. See you tomorrow.